Mastering affiliate marketing. Strategies to generate income. In today's digital age, affiliate marketing has emerged as a lucrative avenue for individuals seeking to earn money online. By promoting products or services of other companies, affiliates can earn commissions for each sale or lead they generate through their marketing efforts. However, succeeding in the world of affiliate marketing requires more than just slapping a few links on a website. This comprehensive guide will delve into strategies and tips to help you effectively make money with affiliate marketing. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or entities, affiliates, promote products or services of a company through various online channels. When a sale, lead, or other predefined action occurs as a result of the affiliate's efforts, they earn a commission. This approach benefits both the company, as it expands its reach, and the affiliate, who earns a share of the profits. Niche selection. Choosing the right niche is paramount to affiliate marketing success. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and target audience. Conduct thorough research to identify niches with high demand and profit potential. Remember, your passion and understanding of the niche will drive your content's authenticity and engagement. Product selection. After narrowing down your niche, focus on selecting products or services to promote. Opt for products that offer value to your audience and resonate with their needs. Prioritize reputable companies with quality offerings to maintain your audience's trust. High-quality content creation. Create compelling, informative, and relevant content that addresses your audience's pain points. Utilize various formats such as articles, videos, infographics, and reviews. High-quality content not only attracts visitors but also encourages them to engage with your affiliate links. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing is a realm of opportunity, but its rewards are earned through dedication and strategic execution. By immersing yourself in a well-suited niche, creating valuable content, and establishing trust. Hey, if you liked this video, subscribe, click the like button, and turn post notifications on.